Blessed morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers. How you all doing? You know, it's Links 007T to the V. Hope and trust that everyone is doing fine. You had a wonderful week and that everything is going well for you. So we have approached the end of another week. Wow, today is actually Friday already. And so many things transpired through the course of this week. So many negative things. And we also had some positive moments as well. But life is just so unpredictable at times, and one cannot even begin to imagine what the world is going through at this current moment, especially what is taking place in Ukraine and with Russia as well. That is such a very unfortunate situation right now that is happening over there. Innocent people life are being taken, and this is just another moment that we need to reflect on life and just value life more and more each day, because no one knows the minute or the hour when things such as these will just happen. And wherever you are in the world right now watching this, I just want to just reach out to you right now and just say much love, much respect goes out to you, the fans, the viewers, the subscribers. Thanks for always supporting Links 007 TV. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please do so as well, because you know this is where we provide you with the latest information on what is happening around the world as well, and also local news as well. This is a place where you can get it and just be safe and just be good and just continue to push yourself. And despite the challenges that you might face in life at times, you know, with that will and that determination, you'll be able to pursue your goals, your dreams. At times you're gonna seem as if you want to give up. At times it's gonna seem as if it's very hard for you to control the situation, or sometimes the situation itself might feel overburdened to you and you feel like giving up. But giving up is when you fail. Once you decide to try again and try, that shows you the determination that you have, and you have that will to pursue your dreams with that determination. When you stop, that means you have failed. But if you continue to try again and try again, you have not failed from what you're doing, and you just need to just put that mindset in place and that will and that drive to propel yourself in order to achieve what you want to achieve. And I can tell you, with that will and that determination, you will be able to achieve those dreams and those goals. And don't listen to what people have to say to you. You know what you want, and despite how some people might try to deter you at times, just don't listen to them. You know what you want, and you just need to just put yourself at the center of what you want to do, and just continue to be that individual that you want to be, and just continue to love, be good, and just continue just to be the wonderful person that you are, despite what people might think and despite the circumstances that you might face in life. Just know that you are not alone, and many people are faced with similar challenges just as you. And the reason why they succeed is because they did not give up when the situation get to them. They push on and they were able to achieve those dreams. So just have a blessed day, be good, be safe, and just continue to protect yourself as much as possible. Alright? Have a blessed and productive Friday from Links 007 TV. Peace out and bless.